Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I will give you a quick tour in my garden. This is my balcony garden. Hope you will like this video. So I'll start with my first plant in the front. This is really recently I bring it here. This is a fig plant. But before, let me quickly give you a heads up what I have. Start from tomato plant, and here is continuing, ends with some berries. There is a black currant and gooseberry. I'll cover all, including the grapes and blueberry plant. So I'll start with the fig, as I was saying. So this is being recently introduced in my garden. This is a 2 years old plant, and hope we'll harvest some figs next year. I can see a few birds already coming. You should be able to see, like, little bit blurry. Yeah, there's a little bit of fig birds, so they will be ripen in the next year, I'm assuming. If they stay good in during the winter, and in the next summer I should be able to enjoy it. And then we have some little strawberry plants here. You can see there are a lot of flowers around. There are little strawberries inside as well. And there's another strawberry. They are different variety. This is a little bit more bushy, and there are a lot of flowers in this one. This one I grow from seeds, and this one is I planted the root itself, and they are also good variety. They will be in big size. A lot of flowers here as well. There is three plants here, and this is gladiolus. This is one of the flower plant, as you know. So there are like only two left. Remaining there was little small ones which I throw out. This is a little bean. They are flowering already. This is another tomato plant, and these two are big tomato plants. You can see they are already have big tomatoes in it, so that they are yet to grow a bit more, and they are in small pots as well outside. I have lack of space inside of this barricade, so I put them outside and tie them up with this so they don't fall other side. And these are my tomatoes. Then this is another tomato plant. These are one of the flower plant that we planted. This is with old plant, like I think 2 years old. And the good part of this flower plant, this is surviving over the winter, which normally don't. All flowers does not survive if they are like annual flowers, but this one survived. It's a almost 2 years old plant, and this lot of flowers you can see, and there looks very nice. And then I'll move to my. There are a lot of Christmas trees around my the corner, which I kept inside. All the corners there are few Christmas trees. They are not taking enough space, but yeah, I keep them. And this is the blueberry plant. This is also recently introduced in my garden. This is close to 4 years old, but I kept them a few months ago. New shoots are coming as well. Hope next year, like this year, there are few blueberries, and next year I can expect a bit more. But yeah, I'll give you more updates in time to time. Moving further ahead, I have mint. There are a lot of mints. I don't utilize all of it, to be honest, but it's always good to have mints in your garden. And I think like it's not it's important, I would say, because there are many recipes which we use mint, but we don't use full of it. But yeah, we keep use those as we need it. The lovely chili plant. The lot of chilies are already here. I already harvested few yesterday, and there are few already there which I'll be able to harvest in few days time. There was a red spinach which I harvested just today. Here it was here. I already harvested today, so I cannot show here, but it's my inside. Then I'll move to the cucumber. I harvested cucumber yesterday, one cucumber, and 2 days ago another one. So there is cucumber flower still there. So that's my cucumber plant. And this is the grape. This is the red grapes, red variety. Already there are few grapes there. You should be able to see there. Yeah, this is the grapes. You can see there are another two birds other side of this plant. So there's one. So this is also healthy, but I was expecting a bit more grapes next year. I'll train this properly. The grapes has its own training. In the last year, this grapes was not trained properly. This is not pruned properly, because grapes needs proper pruning every year to keep getting lot of fruits, nice size fruits. So this is important to pruning the grapes. So it has own technique. If you're looking for some techniques and need me to explain a bit more, please do like and put a comments in my video, so I know like I need to publish this video as a next. So I'll do the pruning at the end of the season, so I'm getting it keep growing. So there are a lot of birds still, they are healthy and they're growing fast. So that's my grapes plant. There are other plants as like this is the jalapeno, the next one. I'll just move a bit closer, give a moment. Yeah, so this space is very tight, so I struggle all the day. Like whenever I'm giving water, I'm little bit struggling, but I use hose pipe, so not causing much problem. So only when I need to harvest, I need to fertilize, or I need to remove weeds, then only I need to come back in this way. So little bit of congested area, but as I mentioned, I love gardening, so its space is not stopping me to do my gardening work. So this is jalapeno. So there are I harvested one jalapeno from here yesterday. So there are a few more growing. So I'll be able to harvest few more sooner. So this is the pepper plant or capsicum or bell pepper. We named it differently. So I can see already 3, 4 is already there. So they are growing. They need a little bit of support. So I'm planning to do some support and moving here and there a little bit to today or tomorrow, and I'll do that. And these are my chili plants, a few more chili. This is the one the big chili plant. So I harvested I think 5 or 6 chilies yesterday. There are still few left. They are still going to be a bit bigger before I harvest them. And then the tomato plant, this is also grown very well. Lot of tomatoes already here I can see. They are yet I think they need few more weeks to ripe and start using it. So I need to give more bit more time. There is a brinjal plant or eggplant or like aubergine plant here, and this is gooseberry, the one of the berry variety, and that one is blackberry plant. So it's bit sad. We harvested few berries like gooseberry and blackcurrant this year. They were nice. So homegrown berries are always very tasty because you pick them fresh, you eat them fresh. So it's very tasty. And this is my rose plant. So this time no flowers yet, but I'm assuming few weeks or in a month I should be able to see some flowers. So that's not it. I planted few more. So yeah, the closer look of my grapes again. So yeah, you can see some grapes here. Yeah, they are getting bigger and bigger day by day. So apart from grapes, I did some pruning already, but those are a bit light pruning. Like I stopped them growing bit far, like pruning from top pruning, those kind of things. Like I prune this to be on just to explain this. I did this pruning recently so that the grapes here are grown bit bigger. So there are different reasons that we need to prune the grapes to train them properly so that we can get more fruits over year and year. There are strawberries outside. I harvested already few strawberries this year, and they're growing now. They are giving some shoots coming out. You can see these are the shoots like which will give more new plants. So this is the killer lily plant, and again this is the beans, another variety of Christmas tree, and the strawberry plants here. So these are my little garden. So hope you liked my video, and let me know how I maintain my garden. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, give a like, and don't forget to comment how it's like, how you like my garden, and subscribe if you would like to get more videos like this, and share with friends if you like my video and get some idea like how to utilize a small space as much as possible. Until next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.